warmer display case. First off, we'll call dimensions. From left to right, with a length of 47¼ inches, a depth of 21¾ inches, and a height of 25 inches. Front and back dual slide doors left and right, and included in the interior are 3 shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Each shelf will measure 15½ inches in depth for the third shelf, 14½ inches for the middle shelf, and 13¼ inches for the top shelf. The length for each shelf will be 45¾ inches. Interior dimensions for the warmer case, we have 47 inches in length by 19 inches in depth by 15½ inches in height. Water pan located inside the interior of the display case. Coming to the back will be the power switch along with the temperature display control. Coming to the left corner will be the e-tail certification. And coming to the outside, we have the drip pan. Coming to the bottom of the display case, we have the 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.